Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting ready. Update iOS to the latest stable release and make a backup so you can undo mistakes. Next, open Settings and go to Sounds and Haptics. Make sure volume is near max and disable attention-aware features if you use Face ID. Once done, check Accessibility Audio/Visual and enable phone noise cancellation only if needed. These steps protect audio integrity and prevent software limits from blocking louder output, so you can safely. Now you install a reputable volume or equalizer app from the App Store and grant the permissions it requests. Once installed, open the app and pick a preset that matches your content, music, podcasts, or movies, then manually raise the gain in 1-3 dB steps. Make sure to boost mid and high bands more carefully. Low bass can distort. Use headphones to test levels first. If the app offers a system-wide profile, enable it, and make sure background app refresh is on for persistent behavior. Finish by testing playback in several apps, music, YouTube, and podcasts, to confirm the boost works system-wide. If you hear clipping or distortion, immediately reduce the app gain by 2-4 dB and check that iPhone volume is not at absolute max. Make sure case and speaker grills are clean. Physical blockage limits output. If sound remains limited, consider an external MFI-certified DAC or powered speaker for higher clean volume. If things still go wrong, restart the phone and retest. That often clears software conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.